So when the process of photosynthesis has occurred inside mesophyll cell, and it has produced glucose, the glucose itself cannot be transported directly. If you remember from our video on glucose, you'd recall that glucose is a very tiny molecule that is easily transportable, but it is also very reactive. So if it's reactive, it can actually alter the water potential of different cells as it's moving along the phloem vessel through the plant, and it can also react with multiple things and multiple reactions where it is not needed. So to prevent that, the plant actually converts this glucose into sucrose, which is a disaccharide made from glucose and fructose combined together during a condensation reaction. Once sucrose is made, it then dissolves within the cytosol of the cell and moves out with a film of water via both the apoplast pathway, which was the pathway which moves from cell wall to cell wall, and the symplast pathway, in which the dissolved solution will move through the cell from one cell to another cell via plasmodesmata. The solution of sucrose will continue to do that until it reaches the vascular bundle. Once it reaches the vascular bundle, which has both the xylem and phloem, it would obviously want to enter the phloem vessel, since that is the vessel that is responsible for transporting sucrose. However, once it reaches phloem, it faces a small problem. It's actually not freely permeable through the cell membrane of phloem. So, even though it's standing right outside the phloem vessel, it cannot really enter until and unless it has some help. It will get that help in the form of a membrane protein. If it obviously cannot diffuse in passively, it obviously needs some sort of membrane protein that will be able to help it move from outside the cell inside the cell.